Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the can't connect to 2K server error in NBA 2K26 on PC. If you're unable to connect online, access MyCareer, or use online features, then follow all the solutions shown in this video step by step until the issue is fixed. So let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Open the Control Panel, then click on Network and Internet. After that, open Network and Sharing Center. Now locate your current network connection and double-click your network adapter. A new window will open. Click on Properties. Inside the list, select Internet Protocol version 4, also known as TCP/IPv4, and then click on Properties. Now select Use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server box, type 8.8.8.8. Then, in the alternate DNS server box, type 8.4.4.8. Once done, click OK and close all the windows. Changing your DNS servers can help fix connection problems, server communication issues, and network routing problems that may prevent NBA 2K26 from connecting to the 2K servers. Now launch the game and check if the issue has been fixed. If you're still getting the error, move on to the next solution. Solution 2. Reset network commands. Open the Start menu again and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt window opens, type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each command. Type ipconfig/release. Then type ipconfig/renew. Next type ipconfig/flushdns. And finally type netsh winsock reset. These commands will refresh your network connection, clear corrupted DNS cache files, and reset the Windows network socket configuration, which can often fix online connectivity issues in NBA 2K26. After running all the commands, restart your PC. Once your computer restarts, launch the game again and see if the problem is fixed. If not, try the final solution. Solution 3. Perform a network reset first, open the Start menu and open Settings. On the left side, click on Network and Internet. Now scroll down and open Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, select Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. When the confirmation window appears, press Yes. After that, click Close. Now restart your PC to apply the changes. A network reset will completely reinstall your network adapters and restore your network settings back to default, which can help fix deeper connection problems preventing NBA 2K26 from connecting to the servers. Once your PC turns back on, launch the game and test your connection again. Hopefully, one of these solutions fixed the NBA 2K26 can't connect to 2K server error on your PC. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more PC gaming tutorials and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.